The Indian High Commission on Thursday went ahead with a pre-planned press conference, not about the Gupta Gate plane landing, but about the India-Africa Festival coming up next week, despite every indication that all the media would want to know about was the Waterkloof Air Force Base incident.
Do you feel that you owe South Africans an apology for the landing of the Gupta plane at the Waterkloof Air Force Base?
Will any of the participants be using the Waterkloof Air Force Base when they arrive in South Africa?
The press regarding the Waterkloof incident has been saying that you might very well be a fall guy in the aftermath of what has happened. Is there any possibility of you leaving the office?
Do you understand why South Africans are so angry about this?
High Commissioner Virendra Gupta did confirm via a public relations practitioner that he is not a family member of those Guptas involved in the Gupta Gate scandal, but would not take any further questions with regards to that matter itself.
With regard to the issue of landing of a charter plane at Waterkloof, I had issued a statement, a brief statement to SABC on the 2nd of May. And I'd like to reiterate that an application indeed was made by the High Commission in end of February. And this was done in the view of the fact that ministers and several high-level political dignitaries were going to be on board the plane. And security is one of the most paramount considerations for us. This communication was sent by the defense advisor in our mission to the Chief of Defense Foreign Relations in the South African National Defense Force. I must add that this is the standard channel of communication. I emphasize this is the standard channel of communication prescribed by the government of South Africa with regard to communications from all defense advisors in this country. I had also mentioned at that interview that clearance and authorizations were received for landing of the plane by the mission almost 3 weeks before the actual landing. I do apologize that I will not be able to take any questions or make any further comments with regard to this issue, because I feel that it would not be appropriate for me to delve any further in this issue. Thank you very much.